will show you how you can upload your video. On YouTube, you need to log in your account. First, click on this Create button. Click the camera icon with a plus, top right corner, Upload Video. You can drag and drop videos, File to upload, or select File to upload video. Drag and drop the video. Fill in. The detail section, give the title of your video and description. Then I already have some description in my settings, so it's automatically become unique to modify these things later. Then go to Video Element, click on Next button on bottom screen. You will see Video Link, and the file names appear here. Under Video Element, you can add subtitles. You can click Add here, so type manually upload file, whichever you want. Then add end screen, you need to click Add here. So here is some format here. Click on Import from Video to open a new window where you can select a previous video to use its end screen. Then save it and then add cards. So select a type of card to begin video playlist. Channel link. I will select some videos so you can add. Actually, you have the opportunity to add 5 cards here. Then save it. And then go to Next is check for copyright. It will verify that everything is fine and no issues are detected. Then go to Next. Then for the visibility, there is a 3-option pop-up. Public, unlisted, and private. When you upload any video for getting more views, you need to make sure it's unlisted. Before you publish, you need to check it and schedule the time. I will show you later. Then click on Save. You can share a link. WhatsApp, email, and this is your video link. Then close it. I'm not sharing right now. So you see this video is uploaded. So right now, no restriction visibility is unlisted. So you need to click on here. So you are on the video detail section. So you can modify your description here according to your video, and then you need to upload your thumbnail of this video. You need to upload your thumbnail from your computer. And then give you the playlist. Choose YouTube tutorial. Then here audience no. It's not made for kids age restriction. Show more paid promotion, alter content. Automatic chapter tags, you can add tags. The language and caption certification section is populated based on your channel settings. And next, recording date and location and the license. Standard YouTube license category. My category, science and technology. And then when you save it, so change the save when you click on it. So you will see your video, it's here. It's unlisted, you can click edit video. So even change your visibility from here. Like schedule it like next day. And even change your time schedule. And set as a premiere and done. And save it, so we can see the premiere is on here. So when you show premiere in 26-hour, notify me. So if you like this video content, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.